Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are talking about the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5. The vehicle is standing right in front of us. Let's dive into the vehicle. But firstly, I would like to thank Somani Hyundai Pune for providing their vehicle for a review. All the showroom details will be mentioned down in the description box. You can definitely go check them out and get exciting offers on Hyundai cars, and they are very cooperative. So let's get started with the video because I'm really excited to shoot this car. You can see the stance of the vehicle. Such a beautiful looking car. Just see the design language. Gosh, this car is really beautiful. Man, let's come up to the headlights quickly. You can see how beautiful the headlights are. You can see the DRL positioning, the design, DRL shape, the boxy shape inside. You get two projectors. Damn, this is so amazingly beautiful. Stupendous car, yaar, stupendous car. You can check this. The front, even that illuminates at night. Yes, that illuminates at night. You can see how beautiful. I can't take my eyes off of this car, definitely. You can see a big Hyundai logo over there. You can see a front parking camera because it has a 360-degree parking camera. On the front bumper, you get spoke parking sensors and a towing hook on offer. Let me just open the hood. Yeah, yes, definitely the hood can be opened. You can see this door, so premium, yaar. I'll come to the interior. I'll not reveal it at the moment, but this is just an amazing car. Just an amazing car. Beautifully manufactured. I'm in love with this car. Okay, let me just open it. And there it goes up with hydraulic struts on offer. So you can see the battery pack. This is the 72.6 kilowatt battery pack, and the motor power happens to be 160 kilowatt, and it produces 214 bhp of power and 350 newton meters of torque, and it goes up to 434 kilometers. That is the tested range, and the company claim is 630 kilometer in a single charge. Yes, it runs that much. It is really efficient. You can see the engine bay. I mean, you can see the battery pack over there. I can't say engine bay. You can see the battery pack, how well it is packed and how beautiful the battery pack looks like. Let me just close the hood. Effortlessly it closes, and yes, there it is back into place. Let me talk about the side profile of this vehicle. Let me come up here. You can check the massive beauty. It is so amazing. You can see the body cladding. The design language on the body cladding is so damn unique. You can check the wheels. Yeah, these are EV specified wheels, definitely for better range. Let me come up to the tire size. So you can see massive tires on offer, and you can see how appealing and how unique the wheel design is, the alloy wheel design is, the tire size, and it runs on Michelin soft tires. Definitely the tire size happens to be 255/45 R20. 20-inch alloys. It runs on 20 inches. You can see the suspension over there, how beautifully manufactured, how beautifully designed car. Just amazing. You can see the side body gliding. You can see that strips. Damn, the design language is so damn amazing. So damn amazing design on offer. Let me come up to the ORVM. You see, the ORVM is also well designed. You get a LED turn signal on it, and you get a camera over here too, because it has a 360-degree parking camera, right? Yes, and you can see, yes, that's for the ADAS, as it gets level 2 ADAS on offer. That is stupendous. Let me come up to the rear design very quick. This looks pretty in every single angle. You can just keep staring at this vehicle. Sorry, just keep looking at this vehicle. I'm going mad. I'm losing my words because of this vehicle. This is such an amazingly designed vehicle. You can see the rear design, how Ioniq it is, yaar. The name justifies its design. The rear end is also very special. You can see it has 4 parking sensors on the rear bumper. You can see the reflectors are finished so damn beautifully well there. The integrated reflectors look very beautiful. You can see the tail lamps. Yes, you get some kind of connected stuff over here. You can see the boxer design has been continued all across the car. You can see Ioniq is finished into white. They are using very sustainable materials, definitely. Hyundai logo right there. You can see the integrated spoiler. How I'll come there just a second. Let me show you the rear parking camera. You can see as it gets 360-degree parking camera, so you get rear parking camera on offer. Let me talk about the spoiler now. You have an integrated spoiler. Let me show it you from here. You can see the spoiler design. Wonderfully done, yaar. Wonderfully integrated spoiler. Shark fin antenna, definitely. Let me show you the high mounted stop lamp. This is also very premium and it carries the boxy design right there. Let me just open the boot. Electric boot, of course. Electric power tailgate is on offer. You can see the boot space. It is so amazing, yaar. Such a big boot is on offer, and you can see the sustainable partial shelf is also on offer. But currently I can't access the boot right now. Like, I can't access the partial shelf, but it covers the boot and you have plenty of space to store. It is amazing, and it's just on a click of a button. So satisfying to watch this. So satisfying to watch this. This is beautiful, yaar. Such a beautiful design. Let me come up to the rear seats completely. Let me get inside. You can see. Okay, let me do this. And I just need to press this and open. How wonderful it is done. Let me talk about the door pockets. You can see the door pads. It is amazing, yaar. The finish, the feel, the feedback, everything is so amazing in this car. I'm just in love with the Ioniq 5. Yes, this is an electric vehicle, but still I am in love with the finish, the feel, the feedback, the materials used. Everything is sustainable, everything is eco-friendly in this cabin. You can see this leather stitch, soft touch. Of course, everywhere you get soft touch. You get a blind over here. You can see the window controls are so premium, yaar. So premium window controls on offer. Of course, you can see this is sustainable. You can see a 1 liter bottle is already placed over there. I gave you an example. This is the speaker placement given over here. Such a beautiful looking cabin. You check this. The cabin is so wide, like, and the floor is completely flat, definitely, because it's an electric and it doesn't require any kind of hump over there. And you can see the seats, leather finish, definitely, how beautiful the seats are. And one more thing is that we can just tumble the seats down. Okay, we can recline them, and even a 40-60 split is on offer, so you can carry long items over there. Let me just get inside, but before that, let me show you this Ioniq 5 branding done over here. If you forgot which car you are in, yes, you are into Ioniq 5. You can see the floor is so premium. Yeah, definitely these are the accessorized mat, but you can see the floor. Wow, such a beautiful designed car. Damn, let's get inside quickly. Let me just do this. Listen to this, okay? That feel, that touch, everything is so amazing on this vehicle. So let me talk about this. So you can see under thigh support, not an issue. You are really comfortable in this car. Legroom, not an issue. And even headroom, not an issue. Yeah, you are really very comfortable in this car. And this car is stupendously amazing, beautifully designed. Very, like, I'm out of words. Let me come back to the video. You can see the AC vent placement given over here, and you can check the finish on it. Stupendously done, yaar. Stupendously done. You can see a light is over there, a reading light, definitely, and a handle to hold on. Definitely you get privacy blinds, which is manually adjustable. Yes, let me show you at the moment. Yes, this is manually adjustable, definitely. Like, this part is very premium. In fact, every part is very premium over here. Let me come over here. You get 2 USB and you have plenty amount of storage place. You can definitely play like a 2020 cricket match in this. You can just I'll show you in the dash. Let me come to the driver side. I'll show what you can do in this car. So beautifully designed, such a practical vehicle this is. I bet you haven't seen such practical vehicle in Indian market still date. So you have a lots of storage space over here. Floor is completely flat, as I said before. You can see attention to detail. The boxy thing from the tail light, from the headlight, has been carried into the door pads of the vehicle. Such a beautiful thing. And definitely these buttons get illuminated at the night. Let me focus it. Yeah, these get illuminated at the night. And this is for the seat heating. Yes, the rear passengers also get seat heating on offer. That's a wonderful thing, yeah. You can see wonderful controls on offer. Wonderful controls on offer. Let me come up to the headrest. So yeah, you get 3 headrests, definitely. Of course, you can expect, and this cushion is very soft. Definitely, this is kind of this is a part of accessory. You can add this to, yeah, if you're spending 50 lakhs on this car, so you can definitely go for the accessories. And the interior color is also very, very, very unique, like the light grayish type and the fabric leather mixed seats. Very beautiful packed interior, very well designed. You get twin cup holders over here, and you can see the seat quality. Seat quality is stupendously amazing. You can see, you can definitely access the boot from here if you don't place the partial shelf. Let me show you the dashboard, like the overview. You can see this. Oh my god, the dashboard. This looks very, 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 very beautiful. I'm just okay. Let me put this one. You can see this, how wonderful the dashboard is. So beautifully designed. Damn, this vehicle is just amazing. Stupendous vehicle. Let me get inside and let me go to the driver's side. But before going there, let me show you the seat belts. And definitely these get Isofix child seat mount, and every 3 passenger gets a seat belt. And you can see the seat belt quality over here. Definitely that is also stupendous. And this car is so silent now, like you doesn't even get to know that the car is on at the moment, and it is ringing because the key is in my pocket. I haven't show you the key. But let me just open this. Alright, you see the door pads? Yeah, wonderful design. Wonderful, beautiful design, yeah. Beautiful design. You see the controls, everything is illuminated. The feel is such great, like such a great feeling over here. You get 2 memory seats. Door pockets are quite wide. Bose surround system is on offer. Yes, handle to lock and unlock, to open the door and close the door. You get electrical adjusted seats. You can even adjust this. Yes, and I was talking about this, right? See, the amount of space is on offer here. Like if you're getting bored, if you're tired of driving, you can just ask your co-driver passenger to come this side, and then you can go there without getting out of the car. Like definitely, I'm just kidding, I'm just joking. Don't try this in real life. Okay, you can see the pedals, so beautifully finished. This is the fuse box. Let me get inside quickly. I'll show you more things. Okay, let me firstly adjust the seats so that you get a good view of the dashboard. Let me close the door. Wow, beautiful. So you can see how wonderful the dashboard looks. This is just amazing, yaar. Stupendous job. Hyundai, great thing. The steering wheel, check the steering wheel, yaar. So beautiful. 2-spoke steering wheel. You don't get any kind of branding over here, but the the cubes are over here. All across the car, the cubes are running out there. So leather wrapped, of course. Flat bottom. The steering is so light to operate. Let me show you this. It is such a beautifully calibrated steering, and definitely this has a lots of feel and feedback. Let me talk about the steering mounted controls firstly, because everywhere there are buttons and buttons and buttons and buttons and buttons. No, you have a few physical buttons. Everything is digital. So this is to control the infotainment system over there, and the audio controls are given over here. You have drive modes on offer. Let me focus it. So you just need to press this button, and in the screen you have eco, normal and sport. Let me keep it into sport at the moment. You can see here, this is the controls for this screen. So it has a 12.3 inch ka infotainment system completely. The cluster is 12.3 inch ka, definitely. Let me come over here. This has, of course, auto headlights on offer, rain sensing wipers on offer. You can see that. And gear, where's the gear lever? Oh damn, that's missing. How does this work? Okay, so the gear lever has been placed over here. So just, you can see, you just need to do this and you are into drive, neutral, reverse. Okay, so that's how easy and accessible it is. Yeah, definitely that kind of looks very premium and very good, definitely. Let me come up over here. You can see or to this is to release the boot, and this is for traction control, and the headlight level. Oh damn, this feel of this button is, oh okay. And this is the electric parking brake. It is given over here, so yeah. And auto hold is also on offer, definitely. You can see the AC vent over there, and this is fabric. Like, yeah, this is the sustainable material I was talking about. And you can see the AC vents, and the AC is so damn cool. You can see the AC vents, definitely beautiful, yeah, beautiful. Let me come up to this screen firstly. So you can see this. I can just toggle a lot of things from here. So this is currently showing me the compass. Okay, let me come up to the driver display. So tire pressure monitor is shown over here, then ADAS features is shown over here, so you can see. And we have the driving data. Yeah, same things. And you can just toggle a lots of things over here. You can set, you can see this button, you can set the ADAS features from these buttons here. Let us hear the horn. Oh, beautiful, yaar. The horn is really beautiful. Let me just get it back. So let us come up to this screen, the main infotainment system. Yeah, definitely. It is, of course, the same like which all the other Hyundai cars use. You can see the range is showing over here. That's 328 kilometers. You can see a lot of settings over here. Like you get valet mode, you get memory seats configuration, climate control, AC, map, navigation, phone projection, voice memo. Then you have radio, media. Everything is available over here. Let me get into settings quickly. The screens, definitely beautiful. Theme and layout में चलते हैं पहले. So you can see there are lots of, like, you can select a lots of themes over here. Lots of setting is on offer. You can see the time, the date, and it is also has Android Auto connectivity, and Apple CarPlay is also on offer. Tons of settings on offer. Definitely a very feature loaded car. You can see this. I was going to show, yeah, this is the ADAS panel for the ADAS features over there. You get kind of a kind of flat thing over here, so you can definitely not store anything. But yeah, the feel is very beautiful. AC vents, the, oh damn, this is the hazard light button. Let me come down here. This is the, of course, it has a 4-zone climate control AC. This is completely digital. You have only this, like, these are the physical buttons available in this car. So by pressing this, you can get into maps. You can see this. Okay, let me just show you the maps at the moment. You can see the quality of the maps. This is so amazing. The quality is so amazing. Damn, this is beautiful. Let me go into navigation. Okay, so you can see I can get into this media. I can get into radio. Then let me come up to the 360-degree parking camera. You can see the camera quality is beautiful. You get adaptive guidelines. Definitely the camera quality is so crisp. Beautiful cameras on offer in this car. Let me talk about this over here. You can see this. This is the AC control. This is to start and stop the vehicle. You get twin cup holders over here. You have a lots of space over here. You get a space over here too. This is quite deep. You get a 12-volt charging socket. A 12-volt charging socket and a USB-C to a USB charging socket too. This vehicle is just amazing. Even you get two USBs over here, and you can see the storage space. Plenty amount of storage space, and even you have storage space over here. You can just do this too. So beautiful. You can see the treatment over here, and the AC vent carried forward. Wonderful job. Okay, I didn't knew this. This was very amazing. Let me do this again. So okay, see this. Sliding, it is sliding, yaar. Such amazing concept they are using in today's cars now. Wow, it is amazing. You get definitely auto dimming rear view mirror. You have a mirror and a light which is not working at the moment, sadly. Okay, sorry. It is working, but we have to manually do it. Okay, sorry, that's my fault. Let me come up over here. You get illumination over here. This is the sunroof control. So let me just open the sunroof. You can see this, how beautifully it opens. This is the panoramic sunroof. Let me close the blind. You can see how wonderful. Such a great mechanism. Yeah, This car is just stupendously beautiful. You get definitely paddle shifters on offer. Let us see the spray on offer. You can see that's it. Your windscreen is cleaned in 2 to 3 seconds. The spray is stupendous spray on offer. Definitely this vehicle is very beautiful. So let us get out. For the moment I'll show you the key. That's the thing remaining, and I'll talk about the pricing also. So let me just get the key out of my pocket. So you can see the key. This is how it looks. Beautiful, right? Very premium, definitely. You lock the car, unlock the car, you get charging over here, you get hold to release the boot, and of course this is how the key of the vehicle looks like. So this has tons of ADAS features like lane departure warning, lane collision warning, then front collision warning, everything you get, like everything that is mentioned in the ADAS feature, this car is available with it. Definitely beautiful car, and this car comes at a price of 46.50 lakh ex showroom Pune. Yeah, this is the ex showroom price of the car, definitely. So you can see how beautiful it looks. Definitely this is stunning, amazing, very good looking. I am just in love with this car, so you can check this out definitely. So this is my vlog about the 2024 Ioniq 5. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, hit the like button and comment down beautiful comments about this car, because this car is really beautiful and in real life it justifies its beauty. So I'll meet you in another video very soon. Till then, bye bye guys, take care, Jai Hind, love you all.